It is a story of survival that spans thousands of miles. A Utah frontline medical worker is recovering in Florida after receiving a double lung transplant. And it all started with Jill Holker's battle against COVID-19.
Fox 13's Aaron Cox spoke with Holker's friend who worked with her in the ICU at Utah Valley Hospital before things turned frightening.
If you know Jill,
the most amazing human on the planet,
you know she loves to be healthy, according to her friend Holly Pike.
She, for fun, runs 6 miles a day.
Until one day, she couldn't run. In fact, she couldn't even make it up the stairs without losing her breath.
She was like, I don't know what's happening.
Jill Holker and Holly have worked at the Utah Valley Intermountain Healthcare Intensive Care Unit for 5 years. Since March of 2020, the two nurses have been caring primarily for COVID-19 patients. They just didn't expect Jill to become one of them.
All of us as ICU nurses, like I had mentioned, we'd seen really, really bad things happen. But then when it comes to a loved one and a coworker and COVID, just all kind of mixed together, it was a lot to take in.
Do you know what caused her reaction to COVID to be so severe?
It is so different for everybody. It's the same virus, but the reason why there's so many precautions being taken is because it's so unpredictable. You have somebody like Jill, who is so perfect, and you would never in a million years think that this would happen to her.
Jill was not improving. Even after she was transferred to the Intermountain Medical Center in Murray, doctors determined she would need a double lung transplant.
Top place in the country to do that is in Florida.
She waited nearly 2 months before the perfect donor brought Jill a new breath of life. Last week, Jill walked out of the hospital for the first time since November.
Take a deep breath. It's a whole new life.
Breathing with her new pair of lungs.
She's still on the road, but she's getting through it and she's doing so well.
Jill will remain out of the hospital, but will stay in Florida as she strengthens those new lungs. There is a GoFundMe set up for her and her 3 kids. We'll link you up to that on our website, fox13now.com. In Salt Lake County, Aaron Cox, Fox 13 News, Utah.